going back at it today.
Yep.
What are we doing right now?
Taking off the tensioner off the timing chain right now. It's two 8mm bolts.
All right. See.
It's tightening.
What's the goal for today?
Get this timing chain replaced and the cover back on.
Well, if we gotta replace the camshaft, we don't know if it's gonna have to go on it or not. So.
Usually you can replace the camshaft from like the engine. So hopefully our goal is to be able to put everything back together. So that way Monday when our camshaft arrives, we can just put the camshaft in, put everything back together, start her up, hopefully.
All right, then me and him have an exciting announcement. He is joining the Clutch family.
Yes, sir.
I got him a sticker he still owes me money for.
That's my pocket.
Oh, let's go. I get paid today. I get paid for the snacks I bought because I'm helping him out, and then I get paid for the Clutch banner. And then I also bought a t-shirt and a squeegee to help him put on the sticker, but he needs to get the windshield replaced first.
I think I'm gonna do it on the back though.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'll do it on the back.
And then you're gonna do a yee one on the front?
Yeah. Or probably a small EV though, not a big one on the front windshield.
Not like on your current car?
Nah.
Bro.
I'm not gonna do two different brands. Well, I don't know how to get it off.
Yeah, it's like stuck right in there. We got it off.
We got it off.
Nice.
Woo! You got me a necklace. Grunt Style, sponsor me. They're tough.
We're opening up the new water pump. Probably shouldn't have touched that, but it's alright. My hands are clean. Look at that beautiful thing. We're cleaning up for the day.
We are.
We've got everything done that we need to. We need to wait for the cams now. So we doing anything tomorrow? You guys?
No. I'm going to sleep in. Well, no, I can't. Alright, your turn. Oh.
Hey, but we get a break from this for a day.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, it's gonna be so weird not doing this because I've been doing it for 8 days straight.
Yeah.
With no breaks.
And
We're gonna have another 6 days, so be prepared.
6 days.
To put it all back together, probably.
Chance!
I didn't touch it, bro. I'm carrying my case and I'm carrying the camera. Dude, it's gonna be like a 5-minute video today. I didn't really record much.
We're creating a YouTube show.
That's all for today. See y'all in the next episode, which will be Monday.